Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you how to create custom widgets and seamlessly embed them right into your Notion workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to bring interactive charts from TradingView directly into Notion, making your dashboards more dynamic and visually engaging. Whether you track stocks, crypto, or just want to spice up your workspace, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, head over to TradingView. If you haven't used it before, TradingView is a versatile charting platform packed with real-time data and customizable widgets. Once you're on their website, look for the Widgets section, usually found in their Tools or Developer options. The Widgets page is kind of like a buffet. You'll see several chart types and interactive displays you can pick from. Take a moment to scroll and decide which widget best matches your needs. Maybe you want a simple price chart, or perhaps one that tracks multiple assets. Choose what makes sense for how you plan to use it. Once you've chosen your widget, it's time to fine-tune the settings. Don't rush through this part. Customization ensures your widget will actually show the information you care about. Adjust the size so it fits neatly inside your Notion page without appearing too cramped or oversized. For symbols, pick whichever asset or market you want to track: stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies. It's up to you. You can also set the interval, which controls how often the chart updates, anything from minutes to hours depending on how real-time you want it. Next, select your time zone so the widget displays data relevant to your location. The color theme is a small touch that can make a big difference visually. Choose light or dark depending on your workspace's style. Locale lets you select your language and region settings, making it more accessible for international users. Once everything looks good, hit Apply so the widget reflects your choices. Now you'll see an HTML embed code. Don't be intimidated by it. This code is what you'll use to get the widget running elsewhere. Go ahead and copy that entire code to your clipboard. If you've never worked with HTML before, it's just a sequence of instructions telling a page how to display your widget. Nothing you need to edit directly right now. Next, we're heading over to Edge One Pages. This is a handy tool that lets you host simple web pages, essential for getting your TradingView widget online and embeddable. Open Edge One and start by pasting your copied HTML code into a new page. Take your time here. Double-check that you pasted the code fully and correctly, as any missing pieces might cause issues later. Once it's in, start the deployment process. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if it feels like the site is taking a breather. Just give it a bit to set up your widget. Once deployment is done, click into your new live site. What you're looking for now is the URL for your hosted widget. Just copy that link. It's going to be your bridge between TradingView and Notion. Now return to Notion and head to the page where you want your widget to appear. Here's the fun part: paste the URL you just copied, then select Embed. Notion will process the link, and after a second or two, your custom TradingView widget will show up, fully interactive and tailored to your specifications. You've now connected real-time financial data to your Notion workspace. Pretty cool, right? And that's all there is to it. If any step gave you trouble, don't stress. It can take a couple tries to get comfortable with these tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. I check those regularly and love helping out. For more smart Notion tips and practical how-to guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.